Good afternoon, explorers. This is Steve with Explore Atlanta. I'm going to shoot a quick video here to tell you about a woman named Alice Hawthorne. I learned about her as I was working on my Women of Distinction tour. So Alice was a 44-year-old mother, is the woman that was killed in the Olympic bombing here in Atlanta. And this plaza right here is one of several what they call quilts that are here in Centennial Olympic Park to commemorate and honor different things that happened. This one is called the Quilt of Remembrance, and this is the quilt right here in front of me. By the way, I'm right on Centennial Olympic Park Drive, right next to the American Cancer Society building. But this is sort of the cornerstone of this right here. It's called the Quilt of Remembrance. And I'll post these photos on my page. I created a page for Alice. She was one of 20 women that I featured in my new tour, which is called the Women of Distinction. 20 women who left a lasting impression. You don't probably recognize that name, Alice Hawthorne, but she was from Albany, Georgia, and she was here with her daughter. It was her daughter's birthday, and her daughter had asked her to bring her to the Olympics. So she got tickets to come to the Olympics, and this is where the bombing took place. The bomb went off right in this vicinity right here. So there's some really nice quotes here from Clinton, who was the president, and also Ambassador Young, who was instrumental in bringing the Olympics to Atlanta, and I'll post more about that. But here again is the Quilt of Remembrance here in Centennial Olympic Park. I'm going to show you one more thing, because as you probably remember from the story, it was a backpack that had shrapnel in it, the bomb, and it was a piece of that shrapnel that killed Mrs. Hawthorne. And all the way over here, I'm going to show you, there's a beautiful, this is another quilt. See this kind of sculpture here? I think it's called the Quilt of Origins. Yep, there it is right there. And this is a tribute just to the Olympic Games in general. But there's a black mark. I'm going to zero in on it right now. This is where a piece of shrapnel flew. You see it right there, that black spot right there? I'll zoom right on in. That is from the bomb that went off. You can see the flash from the gunpowder flash and the gouge in this steel. I think this is copper, solid copper. But pretty interesting, huh? So I learned all that from creating that tour called Women of Remembrance, Atlanta's Women of Distinction. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to try to create some more videos about this. I was very inspired by doing the research on these women. I hope you'll take some time to go through the tour. A lot of information about it, some pretty unbelievable women and some incredible stories, very inspirational. So anyway, this is Steve from Explore Atlanta. Hope you're having a great day.